Hello everyone, thanks for checking out today's video. Today's video request is how to use Canva Premium version. Basically, the things you can do on Canva Free are the things you can do on Canva Pro, but with even more features. So we're going to talk about the awesome features that you can only use on Canva Pro. So we're going to start with the ones you can use on the homepage and then proceed to those that we can use on the editor page. But first, let's take a look at today's overview. Number 1, the branding kit. Number 2, content planner. Number 3, premium templates and elements. Number 4, magic resize. Number 5, BG remover. Number 6, magic eraser. Number 7, background remover for videos. Number 8, beat sync. And number 9, premium download settings. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, branding kit. Okay, if you want to learn what a branding kit is, well, it's a very useful tool for businesses in order to build their identity or theme through the use of their logos, colors, and specific fonts. So you can go to the brand kit, your brand kit, by going to the brand hub over here on your homepage. Click on it and you'll see all of your brand kits here if you've already used it before. However, if it's your first time using your brand kit, then click on Add New. Insert the name of your brand kit over here. It could be the name of your business or whatever you want to name it. Say, for example, New Brand Kit. Okay, we're going to click on Create. All right, so here we are going to add our logo. We're going to click on Add New, or we can drag our logo from our folder or PC onto this bar right over here. We're going to add a sample logo, so Add New, Upload Logos, and we're going to navigate to the location of our logos and click on this one, for example. Click on Open. Okay, and when it comes to your logos, it's very important to take note of this useful tip. It's very important for you to have different variations of your logo. That is because if you're only using one type of logo, it's not going to work on different kinds of background. So if you're going to use this on a lighter background or on a white background, it's not really going to be visible because it's a light logo. So you're going to have to create a logo that has different variations. Say for example, this logo that I have over here. I have a black logo and a white logo. So I'm going to interchange them depending on the type of design that I'm going to create. I'm going to use this black logo for white backgrounds, and I'm going to use this white logo for black or dark backgrounds so that it's easily visible. Okay, we're going to move on to our colors. So depending on the colors of our logo that we uploaded to Canva, Canva will automatically generate a color palette for you, based on the logos you uploaded. But you can also manually select your colors. So just click on this Add New button and select your colors manually. If you have the color code, you can paste your color code over here as well. And you also have the option to add CMYK. We're going to move on to fonts now. So here you'll be able to set different fonts for different types of texts. For the title, for subtitle, heading, subheading, section header, body, quote, caption. You can choose to assign different fonts over here, but in my case, for today's video, we're just gonna put one for the title. How about this? Oh, I think it's, not very readable. So maybe this one will do, and we're gonna turn it to bold. And for the heading, we're gonna choose the same font, but not in bold. And then for the body, we're gonna choose this one. Okay, so that should do it. We're gonna move on to the others now. So for the photos, if you have photos, upload them here or by clicking on Add New over here. And same goes for graphics and icons. We're gonna go back and you'll see that our new brand kit has been created. We can actually create it or use it on our design now. So I'm just going to click on my designs right here, just random designs I created in the past tutorials. And then I'm going to add a new page, delete this one, and I'm going to go to my brand hub and I'm going to click on my logo and change it to my new logo or a new brand kit right over here. Okay, so I'll be able to access my logos here, my color here, fonts, photos, graphics, and icons. And it'll be very convenient for you to create designs consistently. And that's it for branding kit. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one, and that is content planner. Okay, so here on our homepage, we're gonna go to apps and we're gonna go to content planner. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on a specific date, for example, 10 or on the 10th, and then you'll see this plus button over here. So you're gonna click on that. So this new pop-up will appear. Here, you can choose a design that you want to schedule, say for example, this one. And you're gonna set the time and date over here. So this is the time, the date, and you can set the time over here. Once you're done, click on done. And here you can select a channel, which platform you'd like your design to be uploaded to. And here will be the number of pages, and then you can write a caption for your post. And once you're done, you can click on schedule. As easy as that. Okay, now we're going to move on to premium templates and elements. So we're just going to try to create a post here, a Facebook post, for example. Once we're taken to the templates page, we'll be able to see some templates. And you'll find that some templates have this crown watermark or pro watermark. That means you can only use them if you're a Canva Pro user. And that's what we're talking about right now. We're talking about being a premium user so that we can use Canva's premium contents and premium features. So if you're a pro user, then you're going to be able to use any of the templates that you want to use actually, whether it's pro or free. So click on a pro template and then click on customize this template and you'll be able to use it no problem. Apart from premium templates, you're also going to be able to use premium elements, such as premium graphics and photos. Let's type in flowers here, for example. Go to graphics, and yeah, most of their graphics here are free, but I'm going to filter it out. We're going to click on this filter button, and then we're going to click on Pro. And here you are. You'll be able to use all of these pro elements. And you're not going to be getting that huge Canva watermark. Same goes for pro photos and pro videos. Okay, we're going to talk about the next one, and that is magic resize. So say for example, you want to resize your certain design into another size, then you're going to click on resize over here. Input your desired dimensions over here. So let's give it a try. For the width, we're going to try to have 1920 and then 1080 for the height. Choose your desired unit as well. And you'll have two options. You can either copy and resize or simply resize. You can choose the first option if you want to save the original and make another design for the resized version. But if you just want to delete the original size and directly create a newer version with the newer dimensions, then click on resize. So I'm just going to do the first option. I think it's a lot safer and I'm not going to have any regrets accidentally. So I'm going to click on it. And Canva will create a new design for us with the dimensions we input earlier. And here you go. The only difference is that you're going to have to manually reposition your elements, but that's not a problem. There. Okay, let's move on to the next one, and that is the BG Remover tool. We're gonna need an example first, so I unfortunately don't have anything that I can use on my upload section. So instead, I'm gonna go to the element section and look for a photo that we can use for today as our example. Let's say, for example, butterfly. Let's go to photos. And I'm gonna choose, perhaps this one would do. Okay, so we're gonna click on our image. I'm just gonna close this first. Okay, we're gonna click on our image and then we're gonna go to Edit Photo. Then we're gonna click on BG Remover. And there, it automatically removed our photo's background in just a couple of seconds. So it's very fast, efficient, and a very useful tool. Okay, we're going to move on to the next Canva Pro feature, and that is the Magic Eraser. So we're going to go to the Element section, and we're going to look for a photo that we can work on. Let's try this one for example. Okay, we're going to click on our image and we're going to go to Edit Photo. And then we're going to select Magic Eraser. We can adjust the size just how we like it. And then we're going to brush over the areas we would like to be restored or we would like to be magically erased and enhanced by Canva's Magic Eraser AI. So we're going to try that. We're going to try to see if Canva's AI will be able to remove all of these dirt over here. Oh, it did. I'm just going to go slowly because this unfortunately takes a lot of power from my PC. And if I go quickly, it'll really ruin the tutorial video because it'll make the video laggy. So we're just going to take it slowly. I think it's working really, really well. Let's just do the head part. We unfortunately don't have enough time to do all of these mess. But we're gonna try to clean up the head part. Okay, that's the closest that I can get. Here's the end result. Let's do a comparison. I'm gonna go to Elements and I'm gonna click on the image. Oh, okay. Ah, great. I'm glad it saved the changes. So I'm gonna position it just like that and position this one. And you can really see the difference. Canva's Magic Eraser removed the dirt from the dog's face. And yeah, I think it did pretty well, as you can see and as you can tell from the difference. So that's another really, really awesome feature that you can use as a Canva Pro user. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one, and that is the background remover for videos. That's right. You can remove not just backgrounds of photos, but also backgrounds of videos. So we're gonna look for a video that we can use for today's example. What about speaking? Go to videos, and let's choose this one perhaps. And then we're going to click on Edit Video, and then we're going to click on the Background Remover tool. And there you go. It successfully removed the background for you. We're going to try to play it. Yeah, it's playing pretty slow because my PC is not the best PC, unfortunately, and it does really require a lot of power from my PC in order to perform a task as heavy as this one. But yeah, that's how you remove the background of a video right here in Canva. All right, on to the next tool, and that is Beat Sync. Okay, so first, in order to use Beat Sync, we're going to need to insert an audio file onto our design. So we're going to go to Uploads, and then we're going to go to Audio. If you haven't uploaded the audio file that you want to use for your design, then click on Upload Files, and then select that specific audio file you want to upload, and then click on Open. It'll be uploaded right over here. And then, in order to add it to your design, just drag that specific audio file onto your design. And the track will be added right over here. Okay, we're gonna edit our audio track, and to do that, you're gonna click on it and click on this three-dot button. And there you'll be able to edit your audio track. And now for the Beat Sync. So we're going to click on our track and click on Beat Sync on the toolbar above. So what is Beat Sync? Your pages and elements will be automatically timed to the music. This means you won't be manually editing the duration of your video or your pages because it'll be automatically timed according to the beat of your audio file, and Canva will do it. So we're going to click on Beat Sync, and then we're going to click on Sync Now. And everything synced to the beat. Let's give it a try. Okay, our video is actually really short, and yeah, you can see the beat markers over here. So it's timed according to that beat marker. Okay, and that's how you use Canva's Beat Sync. Okay, and on to our very last feature, and that is Premium Download Settings. Okay, after you finish designing, of course, you're going to want to share your design or download it. So go to Share and click on Download. You can actually download your designs even if you're not a pro user, but the good thing about being a pro user is that you get additional options or settings to make your downloads even much better. So for the file type, you'll be able to save your design as an SVG file. This is best for web design and animations, and this is also a very useful format if you want to create custom frames. So yeah. Another thing is that you can also adjust your quality. You can download pages as separate files also. So the settings here will depend on what type of design you're creating. And you'll find it convenient because you'll have a lot of options to choose from when you download your design. Once everything's been set according to your preferences, then you can finally click on download. And that's it. That's all for today's video. We do hope you found today's video of help somehow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next video. You have a great day.